Yusuf go to that? That's it. He says
No, he went to the dungeon.
He says weight class. Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
He says weight class, I think, right?
I think the speed would be hard to deal with. You know what I mean?
me.
But if it stops, I think Will's definitely got the strength. You know what I mean? But the speed is the weak link right now. You know.
I think he pulls amateur and pro or something, or just amateur.
See, it doesn't make sense to me. How can you pull amateur and pro?
There's another kid they were saying he's a little heavier. I think he's 180s or something.
Will learns the top roll today. There we go. Yeah.
Even if I just use my wrist.
I went there, had fun at least.
Yeah.
Even though I got beat up.
Yeah.
Keystone is good.
That's alright. At least you got some work in. Because when I went, I didn't get beat up at all. I just got beat real fast. And I didn't even feel sore.
Oh, and then you get a lot of that afterwards. And everyone wants to hang out and do their arm wrestling. So there you go. Then you get to learn more.
I had to go really quick because I went down the same day and came up the same day.
We did that too.
I was here at 12 and 8.
Yeah.
Oh, you got back at 12?
Yeah.
That's a good day. Will stand up. Will stand close to the table. When you top roll, keep your body on the table.
Yeah.
Do everything the same. Just keep your body on the table.
Same thing and push off and get it off the hip.
That right leg, keep it straighter from the start.
If you're looking
Don't squat. That left leg bends. You know what I mean? But keep that. But keep your body on the table.
Naturally, you need to be able to bring me in that direction.
Top roll him right now. Go. There we go. As soon as he moves, go right to the top roll.
That's right through my freaking
There we go. Yeah. Now square up. Yeah. Now try a top roll and stay square. Don't turn your shoulder. So this is gonna be all pronation. You know what I mean? So don't turn when you top roll.
Don't turn like this?
Yeah. I mean it's
like more like that?
yeah. It's harder this way. So learn this way first. Build that pronator up. Here we go.
He goes right fucking through it like butter.
Yep. Go. There we go. Yeah.
My fucking thing's already done. We got no left hand. It's already done for the day. This is all he does. This is like with not Wacko, but friggin' with Ron. It's like I can't pull with fucking Big Ron in the beginning because he just ruins me. His hand's so fucking strong. It's wicked.
Will you keep that right leg? You're still squatting. Push this way. That left leg bend.
Yeah. After that one, it's hard to.
You got you sucked under, yeah.